Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. I'm here to help brand new crafters go from feeling overwhelmed, uncreative, and unsure how to begin to feeling inspired, excited, and proud to share their new creations.
I've got another easy fun fold card to show you today called the Stable Door Fold. This is inspired by Vicki Littlewood. You'll need a piece of cardstock measuring 4 1/4 by 11 inches, a piece of designer series paper measuring 4 by 5 1/4 inches, another piece of designer series paper measuring 1 3/4 by 5 1/4 inch, a piece of cardstock, could be the same as your card base or a different color, measuring 3 by 3 inches, and a piece of white cardstock that measures 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 square. Let's start by scoring the card base at 5 1/2 inches. Then we'll rotate it and line it up at the 2-inch mark on your trimmer. Cut from the edge of the cardstock down to the score line. Now you'll notice that you have a narrower flap and a wider flap. We want to cut off the wider flap and leave the narrow flap where it is. So line up your cardstock at 5 1/2 to cut along the score line and cut along that score line to meet the first cut you made. Now you can remove that extra piece. Burnish your fold with your bone folder. If you need to, use your scissors either to trim or to just smooth out the edge along your 2 cut lines. Now it's time to do some stamping. I'm using this large maple leaf image from the Soft Seedlings stamp set, which is my current favorite stamp set. It's in your Autumn Mini catalog. I'm using Cajun Craze ink, and just look at the texture and dimension that's possible on this stamp because it's a distinctive stamp set. Now I'm going to punch out an oval using the double oval punch and stamp a sentiment, "So grateful," in early espresso ink on the oval. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. Right about now, I'm kicking myself for not buying the brushed metallic dots. What am I going to use to embellish? All I have are these plain old rhinestones. Aha! Stampin' Blends to the rescue. I can color them in with my blends until they have the exact right autumn color to go with my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more projects and videos, my events calendar, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!